Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to show you how to delete your debit card from Uber Online. We will also put links in the description below for similar gig platforms for you to sign up and earn extra money. To start, open the website uber.com, then click on Login. Here, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Sign in to ride. To log in, enter the phone number or email address on the field provided. Then click on Continue. Next, a 4-digit code would be sent to your phone number. Once received, enter it. Then click on Next. Once you're logged in, you will see your username at the top right part of the page. Click on your username. Then, on the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Wallet. Click on Wallet. Here, you will see the list of all of your payment methods. Click on the payment method you wish to remove. Next, you will see several options at the middle part of the screen. Click on the option that says Remove Payment Method. Lastly, on the pop-up window you will be asked if you are sure to delete this payment method. To continue, click on Delete. That's how you delete your debit card from Uber Online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.